Mount Roofing and Structures Pvt Limited has established a prominent position in the puff panel industry with over 30 years of operation. We are the #1 manufacturer of Sandwich PUF Panels, pre-engineered buildings and polycarbonate sheets. Our journey began with PEBs and we have established a strong position in the manufacturing of Sandwich PUF Panels and polycarbonate sheets. Mount has set a world record by constructing a 1,20,000 square feet pre-engineered building in just 64 hours using our premium Sandwich PUF Panels for both roofing and wall cladding. Our company has a production capacity of 7 lakh square meters per month. In the PEB sector, we produce 2,500 metric tons of steel monthly and also 350 metric tons of polycarbonate sheets per month to ensure timely delivery. To meet the growing demand for puff panels, a second fully automated continuous line is being established. Our strong, lightweight and durable puff panels are ideal for constructing various structures. Our services are available all across India and we also export our puff panels internationally. Mount Roofing, your vision, our mission.